in any communal living situation like Strata, which you all live in, there's a whole lot of different issues that come up when you're sharing assets and resources. And one of the key things that people have a really bugbear about is parking. And so many years ago, when I was living in the Strata building and had triple security swipes in it, people would come down through the triple security swipes, and my parking was directly off its lift, and they decided that they would park in that nominated parking, which is really, really frustrating. So back then, the alternatives were go to body corporate, get approval, put a garage door in, go to council. $10,000 later, by the time you've diverted services and put a garage door in and all the approvals, then you can put a garage door in. Yeah. So real pain in the neck. And then in terms of towing, I mean, there's notices under the New South Wales Strata law, correct me if I'm wrong here, Amanda, you are the expert, but if there's a vehicle parked over on common property for an excessive period of time, or there's an asset on it, you have the right to remove that vehicle to another area of common property, but you've got to put a notice on that car for 7 days?
Well, I'm going to stop you there because that used to be the law. You're right.
Right.
It was repealed. It was very quietly, very secretly, no consultation whatsoever.
Wow.
Repealed. And we no longer have those sections in our legislation. What we have to do, like everybody else who ends up with abandoned goods on private property, we have to follow the provisions that are in the Uncollected Goods Act, which is a much more involved procedure when you're talking about something as valuable as a car. So you really don't have that option anymore of being able to touch a vehicle at all that is on the common property and shouldn't be there.
And even if you did have the rights to tow it, the problem is most tow trucks can't get down into an underground parking basement and hoist the car up. I mean, it's going to damage water sprinklers and stuff like that. It's just not viable.